Oklahoma State had a program for high school students who were interested in science, thinking maybe about a science major. And then the different departments would give us a day-long tour of their laboratories, introduce to several of their faculty, show us their stuff, their equipment, tell us what they were trying to do, and so on. And the next day we'd go to another one, and so on. So we went all around. And one of the days I went to Doc Cerny's lab in agricultural biochemistry, and I thought, wow, now this is really cool. When I retired, that experience was so valuable. They didn't have a program like that. That was just created. So I thought, well, why don't I just set up a program like that so on purpose we can see if we can get that catch on. And this is not a science fair here. We're talking about original research. Well, how do you do original research? How do you frame a original research question in such a way that an experiment can be designed to try to get a partial answer to that question? You know, every step of the process is difficult. You can't just sort of do this stuff. You've got to do it right. You got to pay attention to every detail, or anything you try to do gets totally screwed up. We have physics students studying low temperature plasma creations. We've got engineering students creating drones that fly like birds. We've got animal health students studying aspects of horse breeding. Well, all scientists eventually are called on to present their research, no matter what setting they're in, an academic setting, research institute setting, wherever. You have to get up and tell somebody, this is what I did. You can publish it, but that's not so important in the interim stages of a project as it evolves. It's best to be able to talk about it, show interim results, and get comments by people, and let people know how things are going as they're going along, not just when they completely finish. And it's an important skill, and they should learn how to do it. I have seen more young women entering the program. And as a matter of fact, in the 2018 program, I believe 10 of the 15 scholars are female. I think that's a great testimonial to sciences and engineering on the Oklahoma State University campus, that these young ladies feel like they're just as happy to be in this situation and ready to work with us in this area as the young men.